In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip a file and send it via email in Outlook. Whether you're compressing files to free up space or simply aiming to streamline the emailing process, knowing how to create and send a zipped file can be incredibly handy. So, let's get started. First, let's locate the file or folder on your PC that you wish to zip. This step is as simple as navigating through your folders to find the specific document or collection of files you want to compress. Once you've found it, move on to the next step by right-clicking on the file or folder. This brings up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to hover over the Send To option. A secondary menu will appear, and here you'll select Compressed Zipped Folder. The moment you do this, Windows goes to work creating a new zipped file. You'll notice that this zipped file is placed right there in the same location as your original files, making it incredibly easy to find. Remember, a zipped file is essentially a compressed version of your original files, allowing you to send large amounts of data in a more manageable size. Now that you have your zipped file, it's time to open Outlook. If you're already familiar with Outlook, you know it's a powerful tool for managing your email. If not, don't worry, it's quite intuitive, and I'll walk you through it. Once you've opened the Outlook application, look for the option to create a new email. It's usually found on the top left corner of the Outlook window. When you click New Email, a blank email template will open up for you. Here comes the exciting part, attaching the zipped file to your email. You'll want to click on the Attach File option. This choice is typically situated in the toolbar located either directly above or below your email template. Upon clicking Attach File, a browsing window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your system's directories. In the browsing window, find the newly created zipped file. Remember, it's in the same location as your original files. Click on it to select it, and then confirm your selection by clicking Insert or Open, depending on your Outlook version. You'll see the file name appear as an attachment in your email, confirming it's included in your message. Lastly, add the email address of your recipient and any message you want to include, then hit Send. Your email with the zipped file attachment will be on its way. And there you have it, a simple, effective method to compress and share files via email using Outlook. Happy emailing!